it's Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be walking you through my stretching routine for dance. So grab your dance clothes and let's get started. Let's warm up with some turning jumping jacks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 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 1, switch. 1, switch. 1, switch. 1, switch. 1. Now let's get to stretching. Bring your feet to a wide second and take it up and over to the right. Now turn and flat back. Arch back and take it all the way down to your right leg. And plie your left leg and straighten. And plie again and straighten. Now take it up to the top and let's repeat on the left. Take it up and over. Come up and flat back down. Arch back and take it all the way down to your left leg. Now plie your right leg and stretch. And again plie and stretch. Now take your hands down to the center and stretch it out here. Keep breathing. And plie both legs. And straighten. And plie. And straighten. Now turn towards your right foot, both feet parallel, facing towards the wall. And make sure you are really using your lower back here to lift and get a really great stretch. And bend your back leg and flex your front foot. Stretch your back leg and release your toe and come down for a lunge, keeping your back knee straight. Now, if you can, come up and balance with both arms out to the sides. Now come down and release your back foot and get a deep stretch, pushing your hips forward and lengthening up through your lower back to remain tall. Breathe. Now take your elbows down on the ground next to your ankle. Come up and use your right hand to reach around and grab your back foot. This is one of my favorite stretches right here, so really breathe into this. Release your back foot and turn towards the back so that your legs will be crossed over. Pull in your right leg towards your chest. Release and reach all the way forward. Come up and twist back to your lunge. And come up and turn, and we're going to repeat on the left side, both feet parallel facing the wall. Bend your back knee and flex your front foot. Straighten your back leg and release your toe. Come down to your lunge and again try to keep your back knee as straight as possible. Come up here if you can and put your arms out to the sides. Come down and release your back leg. Keep your upper body tall as you really stretch into this lunge position. Take your elbows down on the ground right next to your ankle. Really think about breathing in and pushing your hips forward towards the ground. Come up and use your left hand to grab your back foot. Release your foot and twist to face the back, pulling your left leg into your chest. Release your leg and come to stretch all the way forward, really thinking about pushing through your lower back. Come back up to your left lunge and then bring your foot up so that you can turn back to center and then walk your feet all the way in. Breathe in as you stretch the back of your legs. Raise your right heel and switch so your left heel is raised. Switch again. And again, left heel raised now. Switch again. Right heel, and switch, left heel, and come down. Come to sitting in a butterfly position. Use your right hand to push your right knee down towards the ground. Switch, push your left knee towards the ground. Now take both knees, push them down towards the ground. Now take your hands to your ankles and stretch forward. Come up, straighten your legs out in front of you and point your toes. Come up and stretch all the way forward onto your legs. Stay low and flex your feet now. You can grab them and pull them back towards you if you wish. Now come up and we're going to get set up for a straddle stretch. Point your toes and come up and over to the right. Come back to center, and now up and over to your left. Make sure that your knees are rotated out and your toes are not rolling in towards the ground. Now come up, flex your feet, turn to your right, and come all the way down to your foot. Come up and turn to come all the way down to your left foot now. Come back up to center and point your toes and breathe in and breathe out as you come all the way down forward. Make sure to keep rotating through your hips so that your toes aren't rolling forward. And now flex your feet, staying low to the ground. Keep breathing into this stretch. And as you breathe out, try going even just a little bit deeper into your stretch. Now come up, and we're going to do splits for 30 seconds each. Get ready for your right split and come and get set up into your right split. Here we go. Hold it here and keep breathing. If you're in your split, you can try to arch back and hold this arch here. If you're in your split now, come forward and stretch towards your front leg. Keep breathing in your split. Now come up and get set up for your left split. Now get into your split. If you're not in your splits yet, a great way to get them is to lift up a little bit and straighten your back leg and breathe out so that you can get deeper into your split. If you are in your split, you can arch back at this time. Keep breathing. Come up and lean forward onto your leg if you're in your split. If not, just stay here. Now come up and we can get set for middles. When you're in your middle split, make sure you are right on top of your hips so you can have the best technique. And don't forget to point your toes. Just breathe here. Try to go a little bit further into your middle split here. This is the time when you can push yourself and really get better. Come out now and you are done with your stretching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Comment down below what videos you'd like to see on my channel in the future. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, join the fun, and click the notification bell so you don't miss when I post my next video. I'll see you then. Mahalo!